Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now let's see about a research of future-based image mosaic algorithm. Now let's see about this abstract. In this paper, 3 image registration methods based on feature matching has been described and the correlation experiment contrast has been processed. Harris method is good at its simple calculation and evenly reasonable angular point features extraction, but is ineffective at matching effect of image rotation scale variation. SIFT method is slowest, but it has the advantage of affine rotating scale invariant. The advantage of SURF method lies in its fastest and is able to be realize real-time requirements. At the same time, its matching effect is basically equal to SIFT method, but it is bad to color and element change. Feature matching algorithm are Harris point deduction algorithm and SIFT feature algorithm and SURF algorithms are used here. This paper describes the principle of 3 algorithms respectively. The performance of the algorithm is compared for corresponding points, computing times and stitching questions. Harris algorithm's performance of extracting angular points was worst and the lowest effectiveness of finding corresponding points. This is the flow of the process. Here we have to given the input image. Input image is the sorting the database. We can select any one particular image. It will contain the 2 images, such as one image with that reference images also be given. The 2 images will pass through the pre-processing stage. In the stage we remove the noise from the images. After removing the noise, it will give on to the process. For filtering the noise, here we are using a Gaussian filter. It is a non-linear digital filtering technique. It will pass through the SIFT feature analysis. SIFT is represent a scale invariant feature transform. So it is used for the it uses the difference of Gaussian, which is an approximation of log. Difference of Gaussian is obtained as the difference of Gaussian blurring of an image with 2 different sigma values. The process is done for different activities of an image in Gaussian permit. So for extracting the feature points, here we are using the Harris corner points. Based on the Harris corner points, the points will be extracted. And then we go for the SURF feature. It is another feature extraction algorithm. The SIFT key points detection and description, but it was comparatively slow and people needed more speeded up version so that SURF features are extracted. SURF is the reference speeded up robust features which introduce a new algorithm called SURF. SURF goes little further and approximates the log with box filter. Below the image shows the demonstration of such an approximation. One big advantage of this approximation is that convolution with the box filter can be easily calculated with the help of integral images. After that we go for the matching points. In that matching points, we are extracting the SURF features. With that, we are analyzing the matching points in the 2 images. The extracted matching, based on the matching points, the image will be fused together for the further result. Now let's see the demo of our process. Here I am having main.m file. Select this file, right click and run the file. So we have to give the input image. Now I am selecting one image as input. In second, I have to select the reference image of the provided input image before. This is the reference image of that image. So for that 2 images, we have to identify the matching points so that I am identifying the SIFT features. It will be identify the feature points from the images. So this is the feature points for SIFT of input image. This is the reference image. So then we have to go in to identify the SURF features. So this is the SURF features of the input image. This is the sub features of the reference image. Here we are going to identify the matching point. So these are the matching points for the two. For these images, we are identifying the matching points where the points are matched here. Based on these matchings, the images will be fused. Now I am showing the result of matching points based on the Mosaic algorithm. Thank you.